You wanna use this one?
Yeah, because this one like keeps disappearing.
Yeah, I don't even like these pens. That's stupid.
Don't say it.
But this, the marker, I hate it. I hate this marker for a reason.
Before you leave on the table, please put the cover on. มีน้อย It will be dry.
So now I'm gonna make it dry anyways because it's bad. It's really bad. I don't like it a bit. I don't even like this lock. I don't even like this.
Hey, don't get the pillow.
Dude, let me do something.
You say,
Put a pen.
yeah,
File.
file. Maxie, you say it.
Put a pen. Pail.
Good. That's
E
correct.
is A. Grandma, does A even exist in this one?
I, yes. You put
Grandma,
galan.
can we not write in this one? You're not gonna write it because
Yes. No.
it has no space.
Yeah, no space for the last one. Maybe the last one you can put at the front of the words.
Why still it? Wait, you write it.
I'm trying to write it. I just write it a bit.
Give him a blush.
Yeah.
Give him
Here you
a
go,
blush.
a brush. The brush is here.
Yeah. Don't use finger because it's chemical.
No.
I know.
Why does this whiteboard even keep moving? Grandma.
Say
I'm trying to really dial.
me, e, double e. It is long sound.
Dial.
Me. Meet. You can say it longer.
Lyle.
Yes, Lyle.
Should I add two?
I don't.
You
add two, you add two.
Yes.
Dude, I think that your writing style a bit bad.
T. Right now you write with the long sound. E is longer than E.
Show me.
Yeah.
Wait, can I do something first?
T ทอทหาร T
I'm just gonna make a new one for this.
มีน้อย can help you.
Give me the marker. Meat.
Say it clearly. เมื่อ E มี meat.
There you go.
No. The last one, you don't need to put sala e on top of T. No sala e. Yeah.
Only one?
Yeah,
only
one
just
e. Yeah. Double sala e come with the first letter. เมื่อ e มี Yeah.
Mia, what are you doing?
I'm gonna make a new circle because the space.
มีน้อย finish it.
Wait, can I do this?
I hear you have.
Next,
I hear you have when you
try it. T, yes.
Mile.
Mile.
What's this for?
TH, you can use ทอทหาร instead to TH.
Can you show me?
T is here.
Hile.
TH. It is different
Wait, can you show me?
between T and TH. When you say it, you must say it different from each other like T. But TH, you put the tongue out. Teeth. Like this.
Teeth.
Yeah. When you write, you can write the same ทอทหาร Yes ทอท
Can
หาร
you show me how?
Yeah.
to write?
TS ทอทหาร Yeah.
But I don't know what's total.
ทอทหารเนี่ย Yeah.
These are called
Yes, you see, same as ทอทหาร here. T, teeth, 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 th. You put your tongue out like this. Teeth, not.
Teeth.
Yes, teeth, teeth. You say this. Teeth, teeth. Yes.
Teeth. Oh my god, this. Why does it keep getting erased? You know what? I'm just gonna write it again.
Next. Do you want to manage all the words?
No, I'm just trying to do this right now.
So, yeah. You say it, Maxie. Fur e fee. You can say fur e fee or fur e fee. Feet. Feet. Yes. Yes. Next. Almost done.
No. I'm about to.
Kyle.
Nile River.
You can put Galan too.
See on my foot.
Ninoy,
Let me just do this.
don't forget to put Galan on.
On the
Lolly.
matching words like this.
Yeah.
แม็กซี่เตรียมกลับบ้านเร็ว
Aww.
ฝนจะตก
Maxie.
เขากินข้าวหรือยัง